Hi and welcome to Wild Our World. We are going to show you today how to add together some numbers using place value counters.
Wow! First, you must read out the sum. This is a Year 6 problem, so it may be a bit tricky for some viewers. 15,236 plus 4,432. To start us off, we need to write down our subheadings, as shown. First, we need to write tens in the tens thousands column. After this, we need to write the 1000s column. After this, the hundreds column, the tens column, and to finish it off, the ones column. This will help us a lot throughout the whole video. To start us off, we need to place one 10,000s counter in the 10,000s place. Then 5 1000s. This will make 15,000, but we're not finished. So now we need two 100s. And after this, we need 3 10s. To finish it off, we need 6 1s. Now for the next number. Now we need to miss out the 10,000 column, as there are no 10,000s in 4,000. So we need 4 thousands in the thousands place. Now we need 4 100s in the 100s place. Three 10s in the tens place. And 2 1s to finish off our sum. Now for the end of it. Now we need to add up all of our numbers. So there's only one 10,000s, so it stays the same. Now for 1,000s, there are 5 1,000s in the first column and 4 in the other, so 5 plus 4 is 9. Just remember, it's not 9, it's 9,000. Now, next, there are 200s in the first column and 400 in the next column. So then 2 plus 4 is 6. Now, there are 3 10s and another 3 10s. So you can just do 3 times 2, which is another 6. And now in the ones column, there is a bit more counters. So there's 6 in the first and 2 in the other, which is 8. So now, you can add your comma to separate it in a way, and your answer is 19,668. Wasn't that easy?